Alright, so you're going to need two files. First one is Arduino Ide, so let's go to Google and search that so we can download it. And go here, download. I have a Windows, so click that and just download unless you want to donate. I already have this file, so I'm not going to reinstall it. Second thing you need to do is, let's go back to Google. You need to download the stock firmware and go to downloads, useful X1 files, and it's this top one right here. So go ahead and download that, and then we're going to open it up in the Arduino IDE. Alright, so I extracted the two files from the zip folder. So this one is for the TFT, the screen, and this one is for the board. So you want to open that up. I have it open up here. Then you open up Marlin, scroll all the way down, so don't worry about all these other files. Just open this one. Open this with Arduino IDE. So I'm gonna double click that. I'm gonna drag this over here. Let's make this a little smaller. Alright, so the only thing we're gonna work in is configuration.h. Don't mess with anything else. Right? So we're going to configuration.h. So our first change is we want to enable Eeprom. That way, if we do like PID tuning or anything like that in the future, we can save it. Otherwise, if we don't enable this, we can't save it. So to enable something, you comment it out. So now that's enabled. That's enabled. Enable that. Alright, so all these are enabled now. So M500, this, this is how we store something after we make a change using a G code. So I'm going to save that before I move on. So the next thing you want to do is we want to change the default access to 415. So 415 is what BMG recommends. Um, I haven't messed with it, but I think I measured it and 415 was spot on. So it may or may not be spot on for you. If it's not, just change it. So stock is 445. We're going to change it to 415. And then we're going to save. Alright, next thing we want to do is we want to invert our stepper motor. So let's invert it. I've Otherwise it'll go backwards. So a stock is false. We want to change this to true. Control S. Our file save. And finally, the last thing you want to do, you want to make sure your thermistor is correct. Um, BMG, you're probably changing to a newer E3 block, which uses the cartridge style thermistor. So we need changes to 1 and usually this is 5, but I think it's a 1 now, so you don't have to change that, so just leave it alone. But if yours says 5 for whatever reason, um, change it to 1, because 1 is the correct type. You can see here 1 is the 100K thermistor that is E3D1. Alright, so we're going to save, and then we're going to verify everything, but before we do that, we have to make sure the board is correct. So make sure it's on Mega 2560. The processor is that one. And then I think that's all you have to do here. Let me see if there's anything else you have to do. Nope, I think that's it. So we compile, or yeah, compile. So this verifies it just to make sure there's no errors or anything. And there shouldn't be, because we didn't change anything. Oh, okay. So, okay. This is this is just a description. It's actually not part of the code. So yeah, I'm not perfect either. So I think this um, enables it. Yeah. So we commented this out. So enable M500, M501. Okay. Duh. All right. So let's save that and let's try again. All right. It worked. So next thing you do is you plug. Well, first thing is you unplug the TFT screen. Unfortunately, there's some port conflict or something. You have to unplug the screen in order for this flashing to work. Plug your printer into your computer and then upload the file here. So make sure your computer recognizes it. Um, it'll show the port here. So make sure you select that port, whatever it's connected to, and then you can upload. But that's it.